So this is Unreal 5.7. And this is Unreal 5.8. So if you go into Edit, you'll find a fresh new menu, Keyboard Shortcuts, with a shortcut for itself too. Immediately, one of the best new things about this menu is that you can actually search purely in the shortcuts, without also searching for 10 other things which are present in the editor preferences or project settings. Some of the newly assigned shortcuts in 5.8 include Toggle Grid, Next and Previous Profile for advanced preview scene profiles, Filter by selected in Content Browser, Play from here, Expand and collapse all root categories in Details panel. Many other shortcuts were added for the control rig, skeletal mesh, sequencer, insights, and many more. So check the new keyboard shortcuts menu for an exhaustive list. Make sure to check the unassigned ones too. You might find something very helpful for your specific workflow within the editor. Tune in every 2 weeks for more quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.